Costar concrete hardeners are applied to the floor. It is then absorbed into the concrete pores and reacts with the calcium salts, effectively making the concrete surface denser and considerably less porous. Costar Hard Top 100-200 contains special aggregates which, when broadcast evenly on the fresh concrete, it increases the dust-proofing properties of the floor. It resists penetration of oil, grease and other contaminants. It provides hard-wearing abrasion-resistant surface. It forms monolithic bonds to the base concrete and also increase the lifespan of the concrete. It is typically applied as a dry shake over freshly placed concrete in industrial, commercial, loading bays, workshops, garages, factories etc.